So. This is Edo Unboxing Official. I want to say Happy New Year, guys. And this new year, I'm gonna unbox. Wait a moment. This new year, I'm gonna unbox a brand new hair trimmer and a clipper from TPOB. TPOB Play. You can buy each one extra. Or you can buy the trimmer alone and the clipper alone. So let's unbox this hair trimmer and see what they got inside this box also. Okay, what's in the box? Alright. Ah! Oh. Merry Christmas. Yes. It's Christmas, baby. Okay. So the box looks like this. Okay, here you got the cartoons, the back side and this side again. Okay, and for the specs, the clipper got 5 hours runtime with an EXO play blade. The trimmer got 3 hours runtime with a pencil blade. Okay, now let's open. It's like this, and you got 2 manuals. Okay, let's bring this out. Put it here. Inside you got the blade setter. I made a video about this blade setter, and you can check my old videos. It's there. And yeah, what else? Little brush. Okay, and you got a screwdriver. Okay, and this one for the trimmer, so it's a trimmer setter. And I also made a video on how to zero gap TPOB hair trimmer, so this one is for that, and this one also is for that, for the trimmer. In case if maybe you over zero gap your hair trimmer, so with this one you can put everything back. Okay, so and you got 2 cables, one for the trimmer and one for the clipper, and you got some guide combs. Okay, it's like this for the hair clipper. Yeah, that's it. Nothing else inside. Nothing else inside. Okay. Okay. And this one, you got a charging dock, 2 charging dock. And from what I heard, the charging dock of the hair trimmer, the trimmer can be charged with the hair clipper charging dock. So these are the 2 charging dock. Here, the both are the same, as you can see. Okay, so I'm going to put it right here. And here is the hair clipper. You all know this hair clipper because it's out already, a little bit long. Got 2 speed, 1, 2 speeds. Okay, and this is the hair trimmer. Okay, And they got TPOB got different colors about this hair trimmer and that clipper. So me, I got the black one, which is good, and the hair trimmer got just one speed, and this is the pencil blade. Okay, and it feels really good, really good. It should be really good for designing, you know. And here it's written play. Okay, this is the charging. So for the charging dock, so it can fit for both. Okay, so you can see, so it fits. So sound check.